Hi everybody, my name is Olivier Barrière. I'm from the French National Research Institute for Sustainable Environment. I'm going to introduce you our research project called Coviability Path, a new framework to sustainably link mankind and Biosphere, CovPath. First question, why a new pathway? The world as a whole is entering a new era within the Anthropocene, that of the ecological, climatic and health emergency. Western or westernized human societies are entering into a duality with ecosystems which has become a good, a capital, services. However, these modern societies are part of the biosphere and depend on it for their very existence. Thus, we speak of socio-ecosystems. The Pathway project proposed to work on a new pathway based on the viability of systems, Earth, human and non-humans. Thinking a new sustainability trajectory requires getting out of the partition that is made between human and non-humans. The objective here is to develop a new trajectory of sustainability translated by a way of life unifying the living by a model of viability of social groups to the environment, which is a socio-ecological co-viability. Viability is defined as the capacity to exist sustainably more than to stay just safe. What is co-viability? Socio-ecological co-viability is thus defined as a property of interdependence that depends on the interaction between human and non-human systems and is based on links of viability. Within living organisms, the network of interactions form and interlacing expressing interconnections that define a collective based on a common health. Another question is where, with whom, and how are we going to work? The areas targeted in this CovPath project are biosphere reserves. The UNESCO Man and the Biosphere program aims to improve the relationship between man and his natural environment. The project proposed to work in six reserves that are recognized or planned worldwide as a pilot area across the world on 4 continents, as you can see on the figure. The CovPath project is organized in 3 work packages. The first, consolidation of the consortium. The second, work on an indigenous definition of coviability. And the third, prepare a guide on the socio-ecological coviability with models, strategies and scenarios. Please have a look on the figure. The process we are starting is a startup process. This figure gives us a photo around transdisciplinary of our project. To finish in 2 points. Firstly, starting from local realities. How can coviability be understanding and defined by the actors of the territory? A central aspect is to question the Biosphere reserve model, to evaluate it from the inside. Secondly, the objective is to start thinking about modeling and scenarios to prepare a guide to coviability based on a conceptual framework of social ecological interactions. The next step, later on, will be to go further and work on territorial parks, the concrete aspect of implementation. Thank you.